everyone. For my second vlog in second semester I choose Sam. Fame is like caviar. You know, it is good to have caviar, but not when you have it at every meal. In my opinion, this is the most suitable Sam for this vlog. Because nowadays fame fetish main celebrities and stars, and some of them even don't want to be famous. I think they are particularly right. Every human have rights on his own private life, and main paparazzis and photographers violate them. That's why many stars hire their own security or avoid press. When you have piles of money, you can be bored, because all that you wanted to achieve in your life is already yours. That's why Marilyn Monroe said this quite interesting quote. In general, celebrities completely right, and we don't to have ruin their private life. You know, it is strange when you walk down the streets and a crowd of people walking after you and always take photos. That's why I think we should leave many celebrities and we must give them a chance to run their private life by their own. That's all for this vlog. Anyway, thank you for your attention and goodbye.